Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on the 1st of September 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street and Petitenget Beach. We will see how the situation in this area during the pandemic corona on September 2021. Okay guys, now we are in Kayu Aya Street. You see red carpet right side and left side Lala Vela. You see in this area still look very quiet, isn't it? Actually I already updated in this area 2 weeks ago, so you can compare how the different 2 weeks ago and today. Still look the same, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video, because I believe there is a lot of people want to know the update situation in Bali. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky and very sunny, but the street is look empty. As we know together, this area is very famous for the shopping area and restaurant, because there is a lot very famous restaurant and also some shopping area like Seminyak Square, Seminyak Village Mall and Art Market in Seminyak. And usually in this area, a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk because it's shopping area. But today is very empty. No people walking on the sidewalk. Okay guys, you see the right side and left side. There is some shop still closed. Okay, if you see at the front, there is Seminyak Square. There is some car park inside. I love to see that. Right side Guardian is closed. Some shop also closed. It's very bad, isn't it? Is anyone been here before? Yeah, if you are been here, you will feel very stranger with this area because it's look very quiet. But before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk because this is nearby Art Market in Seminyak. You see at the front, left side? Yeah, there is Art Market. But during the pandemic corona, all the shop is closed. So Art Market Seminyak is closed since the pandemic corona. You see the left side, there's the gate in to enter to go to Art Market Square, but they close. Okay guys, now we reach Oberoi area. In this area there is big hotel we call Oberoi, and beside the hotel there is a Kuta night bar. And usually in this area there is a lot of car in the night time. They drive around, they go to the bar. You see on the road, it's very quiet, isn't it? And this area also very famous because there's a lot of big hotel. They connecting by the beach. Like at the left side, there is the Seminyak Resort and Spa. This resort connecting by the beach. You see the road. It look very empty. Just no people walk around on the sidewalk. And also there is no car, no taxi transportation. It's nothing. And at the left side, there is Seminyak Resort and Spa. And inside there is a cafe on the beach It's very beautiful, and usually very busy in the afternoon because there's a lot of people waiting for sunset on the bar. You see the sign left side? There is Samaya entrance. You see at the front left side motorbike parking? They go to the sea circus. This is like a bar very famous in this area. And also if I turn right, that is Mexicola. But I turn left because I want to explore Petitenget beach. And now we are in between Kayu Aya Street and Petitenget Street. And then we will go to the Petitenget beach. So we will see how like the condition at the moment in this area. Actually still in during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Okay guys, now we reach parking area from Petitenget beach. It looks very quiet parking here. Usually before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of car parking in this area to go to the beach. But you see today is very empty, just very quiet. I think the beach will be closed today because emergency lockdown for Bali. Oh, there is some car parking there. That's good. Okay guys, now we reach Petitenget beach. Oh, but they closed. It's very sad. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Kayu Aya Street and Petitenget beach. And if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video because there is a lot of people waiting for information and update about Bali. Oh, there are some people praying there on the beach. So we pray together this pandemic will be over as soon as possible. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.